which breast implant should I select? So in this situation, you have to first understand that things have changed a lot. And I'll never say this in any other context, but in this context, do not listen to your mother, old school, okay? Implants have changed so much that whether you choose silicone gel or saline-filled implants, you are much more likely to have less complications and a better result than compared to the old medical devices that we used. There are lots of decisions that do need to be made. Textured versus smooth, round versus anatomical shape, high profile versus moderate profile. These are all things that will be customized for you. And with most of my patients, I actually will be able to give you your top 2 choices and then let you choose.